Hi, in this video we'll show you how to import Shopify data from Google Drive into Shopify using Altera. For our example, we have this blog posts folder in Google Drive with a single CSV file for now with 5 different blogs in there. The way this will work is we'll open up the Altera app and we'll click on Remote Import in the left menu. From here, under New Connection, we'll choose a connection type of Google Drive and we'll click on the Connect Google Account button. This will open up a window and will authenticate with Google, and Altera will have access only to specific files that you choose. It does not have the ability to see all your files in Google Drive. Once that gets connected, you'll have two options. One is to either select a specific file in Google Drive or to select a folder and match files in that folder by a pattern. Many times when files are dumped into Google Drive, there might be a date in them, so each file name is different. So we usually would recommend searching by a pattern. To do that, we'll choose the Select Folder and Match by a Pattern option, and then click on the Select Folder button. Here we need to choose the folder that we want to access. Just click on the folder once and click Select. If you open up the folder, you'll actually be trying to look for folders within that folder, and you won't be able to do it, but just go to the parent folder, select the one you want, and click on the blue Select button at the bottom. Then we need to add a file name pattern here, so we can say something like blog CSV, and that will match any file names that have the blog, then any text matched by the asterisk, and then CSV. Then we'll click on Save Pattern, and the app will download the file that matches the pattern from Google Drive, analyze it here. Now at this point, we probably want to do this on a schedule, so we can enable the run job on the schedule and set the repeat option, say, to every 2 hours. Now that everything looks ready, we'll click on Start Import, and the app will download the file from Google Drive and do an import. We'll see the first couple results here, and you can click on them to get a quick picture of what's going on here. And that's really all there is to it. Now, if we were to update this with another file that also started with blogs and ended with CSV and put that here, next time the job runs, it will automatically pull in that file, and you'll see a separate source file here. We can simulate this just by quickly renaming the file. So we'll name it -2, and now we can manually run the job again by clicking on Run Again at the top. It'll run again, just take a second, and we'll see that the results are here as before, and we have everything that we need here. So if we open up this job, we can see that it's been run different times. We can view the different runs there. We can download the files here, and we can see that it was downloaded from Google Drive. That's all there is to it. One last thing is, for these repeating jobs, I would recommend renaming them just so they're easier to find. So we could say like, scheduled blog import from Drive. And this just, helps us out in the future. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support, and you can find Altera on the Shopify App Store. Thanks for watching.